What you guys are looking at? Hey guys, Tucker Wooden Railway 13 here. What you guys are looking at is my new layout for season 4. So I'm going to give you a layout tour. First we'll start here at Knapford Station. It'll be just at Spencer because, and yes, Gordon is coming first. My wooden railway Gordon that I ordered off eBay, and then Percy and Duck, and then probably Henry. So yeah. And we come down the line, and here's my custom Timothy. Here he is. And then you come down here, and there's a switch that leads in the back of that. We'll get to that later. And then we'll go back here, and here's Tinmouth Station. And we go down here, and there's a switch that leads to Tinmouth Sheds. The reason why the sheds are incomplete, because I still have not got Gordon, Henry, Gordon, Percy, and Duck. We come down this line, and we have, go down here, we have Murdoch with Brenham Docks. Toward the end of last season, it wasn't shown in any episode of the season 3, but I moved Brenham Docks over there. On the season 3 layout, and I decided to keep it there. And then we come down here past Brenham Docks to the Marion Signal House, even though it's the North Pole Signal House, but it is a repaint of the North Marion Signal House, and you come down, so that's what I use it for. And you come down here, and here's Marion Station itself. Go down here, that water bottle. Sorry, my drink. Go down here, and here's Timothy again. But then there's still one more line. Oh yeah, and there's the harbor over there, Knapford Harbor, where we have my custom Tucker. And Fergus. Man, what Tucker and Timothy are in the same slot? Yeah, that's because I used my other Thomas, my Celebration Thomas, for Timothy. I just see it says it on the bottom there. I'm gonna focus. You see Thomas, but you can kind of make out Celebration. And then we go down here, and here's Merlin. There's that bottle. Here we have Merlin with the Express. And that's the end of the layout. So this is Tucker Wooden Railway. This is my season 4 layout for my series Thomas French Wooden Railway Adventures. And this is Tucker Wooden Railway, signing out.